Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijal. In this session we learn the typedef keyword in C language. So first, yes, I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here turbo C++ is there. I double click and take some process, and now yes is open. Yes. Mm, yes, now is open. So Alt F file menu, taking new file, and here write a program to enter one integer number and print it print it even or odd number. Yes, but in this session we can learn the type def. Yes, type means type definition. Def means that keywords. Yes, that is a keyword. So what is a use of that keywords? Type def keyword. So here you can see the white color is there, means that keyword is a white color in turbo C++. So yes, we can start understanding. So type def keyword is a we can say that first we have to understand. So that is a user defined data type, but you have to not create any new data type. Type def keyword is a you can create the existing data type giving the new name. Yes, so that is a we can say that give to our name in the existing data type. So that is a use of type def keyword. So with of example, we can understand what is the use of type def keyword. So yes, standard or include section. So header file, standard input output, and console input output, and then main. And here we can start the type def keyword. So like that first, yes, that syntax, yes. So syntax of type def keyword. So first you can write the type def uh, definition is keyword, and then existing data type. Yes, data type like any data type like inbuilt or user defined any data type name. So here we can say the data type name and give to the new data type name. So here we can say that new is also keyword in C++, not in C. So new data type name. Yes, so existing, that is a syntax. So based on this syntax we can like type def and integer, and we can say that my integer. So that is a new name, myint. That is not any data type. Means we have to existing giving to integer now is referring this program is a myint. That is, and you can give any name here, but that is a rules of variable you have to apply. Okay, and then we can declare like myint and x and y. Yes, but here only one is like minimum maximum, that type also you can apply the program. So here we can enter only one integer number and then scan. So let us take that scan. So yes, that clear screen, and we can give the message. So enter one integer number. Okay, we can enter integer one number and then scanf, and then percentage d and ampersand. That is a new name is a n. That means our new name is a myint, but we can declare as an n integer variable. So that is a refer integer variable because myint is a new name of integer data type, and we can declare the that new name to n variable. So yes, let us check that work perfectly or not. So here even what you have to know here module operator, and that module reminder is 0 divided by 2. So we can say that that is a even number, otherwise that not a even number. So the number is even. Okay, and you can also print that number, no problem. So yes, and else I just copy this line, paste, and you can say that odd number here because in else part. So yes, and then gets here, yes, that finish. So you can also minimum, maximum, that type also you can take the definition or any existing inbuilt data type, user defined data type, you can give the new name. Okay, so that is a any data type you means existing data type, not creating. Yes, that is a you're not creating new data type. Myint is a just name of the new existing data type. That is not creating new data type. Only give the new name to existing data type. So yes, I first save. So that is a we can save like typedef. So type and then keyword. Yes, so key and word, but the maximum you can give the 8 characters. So here type key means keyword. Okay, so let us compile this file. Yes, so okay, here I give the syntax. So that is a just reference for your. So typedef keyword data type name means existing. You can say that, and new data type name. So that also I comment line. So that taking error, but no any error. Our exe file is generated, and let us take, so I give the 8, so that is a even number. Yes, 8 is a even number, that you have to know very well, simple. So our program work as it is. Now I give odd number, so that number is a odd, 5 is a odd number, so you have to know like in even and odd number. So yes, that is a use of very simple typedef keyword. You can give the new name to existing data type, and that data type is a user defined data type now, means that work as a, but typedef keyword is a keyword. You can give the existing data type to new name. So here we can give the integer data type to new name, myint. You can also character, float, double, structure. Structure is also user defined data type. And then my one video lecture already used the typedef keyword with structure. Okay, so yes, that finish. Yes, very simple concept is there. So typedef, here I give the right syntax, I just summarize. So here we can use that syntax. Based on this syntax, typedef keyword, typedef definition of, so we can give the new definition to existing or new name to existing data type, not creating new data type. Yes, that you can remember in your mind. You have to not create new data type, but just give to the new name to the existing data type. That is the use of typedef keyword in C language. Okay, so now yes, that session is finished. Very simple concept, typedef keyword I cover, and yes, write this program to your C notebooks. So any data type you give the new name as a typedef keyword is a very helpful. So we can refer what is a advantage of this type of technique. So when your program is so long and you cannot identify which variable is there, so you can define the group and give to your name, so you can easily identify. That is the advantage of typedef keyword. So long program is a helpful, and like structure stock keyword and then tag name, that name, and you can not always write structure and that tag name, structure name, and that I just show you. So here what is a, in my video lecture I already give the definition. So like type def. Okay, so typedef is a keyword. So yes, typedef, and like structure, yes, struct and emp, and here we can say that new emp. So now you cannot write this always struct emp, only an emp you can declare the new structure variable. So emp like e1. So all you cannot write this all things in every time. So only an emp is a new name of existing structure. So I already won my video lecture in YouTube, so you can watch. It is a benefit. So yes, a very long program that is helpful, and that is a use of typedef keywords. So now I close this session and write this program to your C notebooks. Okay, so complete, very simple concept. Typedef is keyword and giving the existing data type to new name, and then you can refer this data type to this new name and declare your variable, your all coding as it is, no change. Okay, so I close this file and then quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakadi. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.